He's wanting to dance this morning. Woohoo! Woohoo! See what I have to deal with at my own dang house. Well, that's new. Look at this. Hammer got into something. He can't keep nothing nice. He bought that truck. Both door handles are ripped off. You got to go out from the inside. Out, open it. Come with us. Let's see if we can get this job finished up today. We got to go somewhere else tomorrow. It's Monday. We're back at this one. We'll park that way today. We're out after today. Let's see what happens. I say that, but we're gonna make it happen. We got to. Got other places to be. This one definitely took longer than I expected, but he added that and then that pipe and all that, so you'll have that on them big jobs. I tell you, that's how it goes. You get one, you get two, you get three. Did that big riprap, now we're doing riprap. Here we go. I told Carlito, no standing around. You gotta work, don't watch the hammer work. And I didn't have enough, I don't have enough of that. That's kinda gonna screw me. I'm gonna have to figure it out. We'll make it happen, we always do. I got more at the house, it's just I gotta run and get it. Not the end of the world. Not ideal, but not the end of the world. It's Monday, everything can't go as planned or smooth or whatever. I knew it was going to be close with this material, but that's part of it. Part of it, ain't it, Cole?
Yeah.
You only wish the good times last a little longer, don't you?
Yeah.
It's all what you make of it. Told Cole, asked if he enjoyed this. Said he does. Said he'll be praying to be back here one of these days when he's on the assembly line pushing buttons. Won't ya?
Yep.
That'd be miserable, watching the time clock slowly tick by. Not my type. I did that. Factory inside work. Hated it. I used to have nightmares from it. I think I had PTSD. I'm not kidding. It's a real deal. The bad jobs make you respect the good ones. That's one job I truly freaking hated. Hated it. Horrible. Man, I don't even think that's gonna be wide enough. That ain't up to my standards. So here's the dilemma. Will we have enough of that to finish that? So I could load this up, send them to the house, dump it, grab the felt in Hammer's truck, come back here. But if we need more of that, we need the dump truck, and it's hard to load the felt in there. So what do we do? I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I think it's going to be close with that, because that's the widest section. I don't know. It's going to be close. Let's get it loaded. All the grading's done. It's good enough. I'm gonna do it. He can fine tune it. I'm rubbing this thing raw as many times I've been up and back it. Like Blake says, just walk away. Man, what a change. Might have to give Carlito and Hammer a call. Every time they're gone longer than you think, you always start thinking the worst. Truck flipped. They get ripped off. They blow some tires. The options are endless. Colson and Hammer come bearing gifts. You guys are so nice. Everything went in good? Tractor work all right? Nothing got messed up? Don't lie.
Nothing got messed up.
All right. Everybody lived. Nobody got hurt. Everybody's got their fingers. Come on out, you son of a... Down she goes. Take that, bastard. Ah! About stretched my groin in half.
Close the gate.
Now I'll be like all them one guys like, oh, my groin, I pulled my groin. Ah! You can't work through a pulled groin. You ain't been in Vietnam. Time to do some hand work. I wished I had your job. You could have sat in an AC cab all day. Yeah, that'd be cool. Right, Cole?
Yeah.
Just like we're sorting crabs on the Barren Sea. If you guys get a bunch of ripples, let me know if there's a better way. You dump it so you don't have to hand work it so much. Touches on it here. Our fun has come to an end here. Walk with me. If I can even walk. Here's how it turned out. It all laid in there. It's about 1.5 loads. All this is good together. Got to get the drain in. Came together real nice. Like always, it was Monday. You didn't get much out of me. I just ain't very talkative on Mondays, and Mondays are a real thing. You know what I'm talking about. It's like 3:30, I think. Get off to the next one. Make sure you stay tuned. Put them up there. Really forget about them, they fly off. I had one do that. I had it in here, brand new, just bought it, and the wind caught it, pulled it out of my rack, and blew off. So at least you got a little bit out of me. That's always nice. Carlito stepped up. Man, look at them two cats. Beautiful sight. Stay tuned, like always. To the next one. You never know what we're going to be getting into. Well, I'll let you know. Tomorrow, we're backfilling a basement and running a water line. You've seen it. Here we go. To the next one, like always. Well, Mark, our fun has ended here. That's how we do. We do bitching jobs. I don't know where my damn paint stick went.